Oh, hi guys. This is Crazy.
Strange.
Shy Guy.
Okay.
And yeah, we're gonna do the fart
soundboard challenge.
And we got this from the Holy Trinity page thing with Hannah Hart and Grace.
We'll put the description. We'll put the description in the description. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, so Kitty's gonna go first, and okay, here's the thing. One of us is gonna play a sound, and whoever laughs will take a sip, take a drink. We got water, cause yeah. And so yeah. So let's do it. Okay, say the sound, and then say the whatever it's called.
Okay. Out of gas.
Play it again. Shy Guy's turn.
You gotta say the word, you know.
Which one do you pick? I'll say it for you.
You can't look at it.
Okay. He said, uh-oh.
Every have to take a drink.
You gotta repeat it.
Kitten has to take a drink.
Here, have the Lightning McQueen cup. I don't know, I have a little brother.
Okay.
Yeah, water.
You have to drink it all.
No, he has to just take a sip, because, you know, I'm not going back into the kitchen and refilling this.
Okay.
I just poured, like, water all over my thigh. It's going down my pants! That was cold! What are you doing?
This was called Jurassic Farts.
Goo-goo-doo-doo.
Okay, now, you take a sip. Remember, Kitten,
Okay,
yours. Where's the yellow?
Do, clucking chicken.
Oh, God.
What the?
What the heck? Okay, so, whoever chooses the part that they laugh doesn't count, though. And you know they're choosing it, but yeah, I think that was a laugh. And I'm scarred for life. Okay, Kid, go.
Okay, then, I'm gonna pick goo-goo-doo-doo.
Oh no. How are you not laughing?
That's probably what was funny.
Okay, Shy Guy, go.
Tiny hiccup?
Oh no!
Oh, okay, never mind. He's picking that one.
What is it called?
I think I can. On the can.
He laughed! Well, I guess two of us. Okay, yours is the yellow, mine's the black. Oh. Go crazy.
Go crazy, yeah.
Wait, who, Shy Guy?
Yours is the yellow.
Shy Guy laughed. No! He laughed on his! Ah!
Yours is the yellow, mine's the black.
Why did you have to laugh on yours? Finally laughed, and it wasn't on his.
Touché.
Okay, so,
Yeah, it's called touche.
let's see. Kitty has one. Me and Strange have two. And whoever gets to 4 loses. I think one of us is
This
going to
one's
lose.
called touche.
Woo! I did it! You're at 3 now. You're gonna lose, and once you lose,
No, that was mine.
Let's see. BMX Lax.
Of course.
It's on your both laugh.
I didn't laugh.
You laugh.
No.
You.
I was
Mom, like.
I didn't go like that.
You still laugh. You're out.
I was grunting.
Fine, you can stay in. Comment and see if he lost or not. Is he disagreement and I'm like.
I was grunting.
Okay,
Squat
my
thrust.
turn. Wait, whose turn was it? No, that was mine. It was
It's
your
Kitten's
turn.
turn.
Squat thrust. You're scaring people.
You're out. Here, you're
I'm
sitting.
not out. This is my third.
That's your 4th.
No.
That is your
No, it's
4th.
not. I only took 3.
You laughed at the BMX. Oh, oops. I didn't mean to.
Should I laugh?
Ah! Hey! 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 Chicken pot pie! Take the step. So it goes 2, 1, 3, and 2. Me and Kitty are tied. Oh yeah! That was
Just
really
maybe
bad.
hit him in the head.
That was really bad.
I'm crying.
Pick one.
I cry.
Give me a drink!
It's like, what?
You're like chugging it down. I'm really loud.
Pick one.
Oh my god, that was so gross. I just like burped and swallowed it.
Oprah Winfrey. Get out. Now you don't pick one more. Okay. No one laughs. What the hell? Mr. Bubbles?
I chose Mr. Bubbles. Oh, wait, this is mine. I can laugh. Mr. Bubbles was a guy.
Come on, Chris. Okay. Let me hear. Sorry. Stuttering on the John.
Where's that?
It's up here. It's up there.
Okay, I see.
Play it again. I repeat, stuttering on a John. Now go!
I'll get it.
Wow. You pulled it off. Like I pulled off your hat. That was really bad pun.
Cheese dog?
That's disgusting.
You're disgusting.
No, it's
Yeah, I am.
The unthink.
Drive. Please drive.
Fucking drive.
Warning, we swear.
Oh, yeah. Forgive Austin Jones. Yeah.
Sorry.
Pick one.
Sorry, senpai.
Try.
He said the unstinkable Molly Brown undergarment.
Don't tickle me.
I just
Okay.
said you were ticklish.
You guys.
Put down your knees. They
Look at
can't
what?
see your beautiful face.
What?
I know, he has no beautiful face.
Dustling buttholes.
Where? What?
Dueling buttholes. Over there. No, air biscuit.
Oh my god.
Air biscuit.
Oh
You were
my...
just on it.
Guys!
Air biscuit. Rapid cricket.
The face.
Confused his mind.
Okay. You're next, crazy.
I'm crazy.
What is it? I wanna do tuna melt madness.
Is that you in the morning? Okay. Take a sip of the water.
Okay. No, that was mine. He laughed.
I didn't laugh.
You laughed!
No, I didn't.
No, shut up. Wait, didn't you already take 4?
No. It was 3.
We're on 2. He's on 3. He's on
1. Jinx, knock on my
He
head.
has no sense of humor, guys.
Puffy Dad. Puff Daddy. Yeah.
Puff Daddy. No, just play it, play it.
Once again, Puff Daddy.
Pick them.
No, it doesn't sense.
I am not getting out. I got 2, you got 3. I'm getting you out, bro. If we go through all these farts, I'm gonna die.
Hey, Donald loves Daisy.
I know.
No.
Stop making sounds with it.
Okay, yeah. Pick.
Oh my god, I felt like I was gonna die of like not trying to laugh. Are you squishing him?
Number 2 with the bullet.
Number 2.
Take a sip, crazy. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things. Take a sip.
Okay, I guess I'll... Crazy. I didn't say that. Crazy.
I spelled it again!
Like.
I got 3, got 3. Oh, what was it? Old Spank. Old Spank.
It says Old Sparky.
Oh. I repeat, Old Spank.
Sparky.
I call it Spank.
Old
Like,
Sparky.
Spank.
My turn. What are you saying?
One more time, Old Steak. Sarah!
No.
Crazy! Sarah!
Face though. What are you saying?
No, I pulled through, Okay,
This one? Trumpeteer.
oh god, no.
Once again, Trumpeteer.
Are you L?
No.
Oh.
My turn?
Yeah, it's your turn. Oh, jeez.
Last.
Oh! This one?
No.
Ooh, it tastes like Mountain Dew. When did I have Mountain Dew?
This one? Where is
No.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the last one.
Which one is it? What's it called? You're not a... No.
It's still stop. Stop.
Here, wait. Shy Guy laughed. Shy Guy laughed.
So did you at the end.
I did not laugh. I waited till it was done.
He
Boom.
was still in the middle of it.
No,
Because it played twice.
No.
Listen.
No.
Who farts like that?
I do. I did last night.
Oh, I didn't know you farted that long. That was
Okay.
like 3 minutes.
No one laughed besides Shy Guy. I did not laugh. I sneezed. Because I was holding my breath. I was like this. And I couldn't breathe.
Okay.
So you're all at 3?
No, he's at 2.
Oh.
I'm at 3. He's at 3.
I'm at
He's
2.
at 2. You're at 2. Boom! Ow, ow,
Who
ow.
picked that? Oh yeah, that was you. Crazy. I said crazy.
Crazy, not Shy Guy.
Macaroni and sneeze.
Okay.
Right by the brown pants one. Down there! On the way bottom! Over here!
Oh, macaroni and squeeze.
Macaroni and squeeze. I repeat, macaroni and squeeze.
That just happened.
So yeah.
Sorry, I don't know. It just happened.
Okay,
It just came up.
wait, I'm Kit, your turn.
Rip. Whoa. Rip.
Holy crap, this is 17 minutes.
Ripping.
Yeah, I'm adding
What is
this.
this one?
That's my life.
I'm glad that's mine.
He laughed! Boom! Shy Guy got 3!
Shy Guy's turn.
Okay,
Shy Guy's at 3.
we're all at 3 and then Kitty's at 2.
How?
I don't know. Okay, we have to listen when she laughs because she's the one that's doing the thing. Pressing it.
Rocking chair.
Turn down for what?
Kitty, I'm
My
going
turn.
to take that away from you.
That's mine.
Too bad. Which one's choosing?
You cello. Now.
Night moves.
My turn. Okay.
Levitate.
And...
Levitate. Levitate. Levitate.
Cello below. Cello below. I repeat, cello below. What is wrong with you? Just laugh! I'm not getting out.
Night moves. Mom?
What, you guys don't watch Dragon Ball Z?
Shy Guy, go.
Majin Buu?
Please.
Mr. Bo-
When I win, or I lose, or one of us lose, they
Would
could
you like ketchup? This is the next one. Would you like ketchup?
Okay, your turn. Am I the only one that's affected now? You guys are just like...
Morning dew. That sounded like a shark. It's like furious projectile crapping.
What?
Furious projectile crapping.
Let the bodies hit the floor.
Okay, I can breathe. Do gas hole.
What the hell?
Okay, your turn.
Stop it! Men in,
I got your forehead!
Men in brown.
I call that a fart pop.
Men,
It's like pop.
Men in brown.
Look.
Okay. Go.
Your turn.
Go. Go. Go.
Go.
People just point randomly like, oh, sorry.
My ear.
I just like stabbed
Variety
his ear.
show. Yeah. Go. Strange. This video's too long.
And that's the truth.
And
It's just gonna die.
Wait.
The-
Here.
guys, my camera's gonna
And
die
that's
soon.
the truth.
Okay.
right.
Yeah, I'm out. Okay, wait. So this is about to die. So, they all won and I lost. Goodbye.